Why should sex education be required in 6th grade? According to a recent report in August 2014 from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, most American teens do not receive formal sexual health instructions until after they've already become sexually active. As of March 1st, 2016, research gathered from the National Conference of State Legislators on Sex Education revealed that only 24 states and the District of Columbia require public schools to teach sex education, 21 of which mandate sex and HIV education. Proponents of abstinence education typically argue that teaching adolescents about sex is inappropriate and will motivate them to become sexually active at an earlier age. However, public health experts argue that kids who receive comprehensive sex education in school are more likely to delay sex as well as have a deeper understanding of issues related to sexual violence and consent. It is important to talk to 6th graders about sexual misinformation, peer pressure, and the consequences of engaging in sexual activity of any sort. Impress how crucial accurate sources are when it comes to sexual activity. First, always keep lines of communication open with your child. Let them know it's okay to discuss sexuality with you. The onset of puberty can be a stressful time for young people. Stress the importance of abstinence, but always make time to listen. Respect their rights to express views and present facts along with values. Then trust the information provided will allow them to make good, sound decisions. So should sexual education be taught in 6th grade? Research consistently shows that young people are going to learn about sex. And the question should be, where do you want them to obtain that information from? A 2011 Centers for Disease Control and Prevention survey indicates that over 47% of all high school students say they have had sex. And 15% of high school students have had sex with 4 or more partners during their lifetime. Girls have higher STI rates, mainly because when boys get STIs, their infections often go unnoticed and unreported because they are less likely to have symptoms or seek medical care. Although abstinence should be the only choice when it comes to sexuality for our youth, in a 2003 number 2 newsletter in advocatesforyouth.org, the United States has one of the highest teenage pregnancy, birth, and abortion rates in the developed world. Sexual activity has numerous consequences. Adolescents are disproportionately affected by sexually transmitted infections. 1 out of 6 teenagers contracts a sexually transmitted infection. In August 2014, according to a new study from Georgetown University, Victoria Jennings, director of the Institute for Reproductive Health Research, provides that in order to significantly decrease the rates of unintended pregnancies, children should start receiving formal instruction about sexual health as early as age 10. Today, society has undergone vast changes in regards to sexual attitudes and behavior, which impacts young people who lack the maturity, wisdom, and insight. A solution could be to offer sexual education classes that are gender segregated. Some parents and educators are more supportive of teaching boys and girls separately. This enables boys and girls to ask more questions about gender-specific topics, which could be embarrassing. However, discussing puberty and sex education with boys and girls together removes the stigma and mystery of the topic. Additionally, in a study of 35 sex education programs around the World Health Organization found there is no evidence that comprehensive programs encourage sexual activity. In summary, abstinence should be the only choice. However, in today's society, social media, peer pressure, and just plain lack of knowledge can all contribute to earlier sexual activity. As stated in a 2013 article by Molly Maslin of NBCnews.com, in the debate over sex education, one thing is disputed. The average child today is immersed in sexual imagery. As parents, we can help protect our children by equipping them with vital information and facts instead of hearsay. Therefore, support sex educational classes in 6th grade. They can be segregated or co-ed. As a result, it may prevent premature sex, pregnancy, STIs, sexual abuse, and exploitation. Start today. Knowledge is power.